we will import the function time and the function sleep from the library time.
Let's create a test function that will run 10 times each time we'll sleep. Wait for 0.5 seconds. That's 5 seconds in total. Let's call and test that function first. The function is running, but wait, how we can assure that it run for exactly 5 seconds. Enter the function time from library time. This function gives you the current time in seconds and milliseconds. At the end we will subtract the current time from the previous time.